Wow.
Yeah, but it is drying out there, so they'll be able to recover. And that rain absolutely helped in terms of the fire. I was just looking at containment, 95 to 99% containment for some of the bigger fires in the area. Now I'm showing you where that system is headed. Now that system eventually will bring in rain for us, but right now helping bring in some much needed rain for areas like Phoenix that did see one of the longest rain-free streaks in their recorded history. Had the system not brought in rain, they would have spent over 160 days without rain. But that system not only impacting areas of Southern California and areas of Arizona, it'll continue to trek slowly, but moving over areas of New Mexico. And eventually that's actually what's going to reinforce the possibility for rain chances here in North Texas. And it's early as tonight, 30% coverage of rain. It comes in the form of scattered showers, but 70% coverage on Wednesday, 90% coverage for that rain on Thursday. I do think most of us will see heavy rain Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. We could pick up 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, and that's including Parker, Tarrant, Dallas, Rockwall, Denton, Collin County towards the Red River. Time frame Wednesday through Thursday. A bulk of that happening Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Let me show you what I mean by that. Cloud cover across all of North Texas today and dry, but we'll see scattered showers. Very light rain tonight, about 30% coverage. Tomorrow, we're going to see very similar conditions. We're going to see the scattered rain across the area, but it stays light. Coverage just goes up to about a 60%, 70% as we head towards the afternoon. So this is Wednesday, 5 in the afternoon. We could see a few pockets of some heavier rain, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two, but it's not until Wednesday night when I'm seeing more of that heavy rain move in. This is around midnight, Wednesday going into Thursday, and you see that heavy rain packing in along the I-35 corridor around 4, 5, 6 in the morning. Really around the time a lot of us are getting ready for our day. I'm going to stop the clock here at 7 because I want to show you this. This is our severe weather outlook for Wednesday night into Thursday morning. A level 1. That's a marginal risk for severe weather. That's a level 1 out of 5. That means we could see an isolated storm or two that could produce up to quarter-size hail, 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts. The localized flood concern is what is the highest concern. That line continues to progress towards the east between 7 and noon on Thursday. And this is where the threat then shifts to. It shifts east of DFW. It includes a lot of our eastern counties with a higher threat, a slight risk to our southeast. We are not included in that. The same risk, though, for that time frame. All while this is happening, our temperatures are climbing. We're looking at the 60s on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and on Friday it's actually going to be quite a bit drier. Over the weekend it'll be nice and sunny with highs in the 60s and the 70s, looking a little bit more like spring, and then we cool back down as we head towards the middle parts of February. But definitely want to make sure you're paying attention to that forecast today, tomorrow. Keep checking back in with us, especially Thursday when some of that heavier rain moves in. Stacia?